a program that I get a kick out of on television is the weather forecaster. One of these guys. Good evening, good evening. Here we are, ready to give you the W-E-T-H-E-R. No, W-E-A-T-H-R-E-E. Well, tonight you can see we're having the worst spell of weather we've had in a long time. We will start from the eastern coast around Washington. Last week there was a lot of hot air shot out through over there. But it seemed to have subsided because Congress has adjourned. Now we now come over into Pennsylvania. This is the cold area. Soft cold, that is. Now we come down through the Ohio River around Cincinnati, and the river this week around Cincinnati where Procter & Gamble is will be a lot of tide through there. And this week there was a snowstorm in Missouri, but there wasn't one icicle on little Harry's house. Of course, when Margaret hits high C, something has to give, you know. Of course, every time Harry goes on that yacht, everybody has to give. Now, down in Florida at the Key West is a hurricane coming, and it is shooting rain, sleet, and hail, and part of Florida north. And in this part, you can see there's a lot of clouds. No, that's my shadow, pardon me. Over here we have the sun. The sun, for you people who live in California, is that big ball of fire that starts east and it goes west till it hits Arizona, then it detours and goes to Texas for the winter. Now, Texas down here is very windy today. Now we come over to... we come to Mexico. And down in this area here, you can expect a cold wave, and firing will be necessary for all marijuana plants tonight. Last week, there was rumors that in California there was rain. This is not true. We did have a fog that washed out a few bridges. Down here is around Del Mar, where the turf meets the surf. It's going to be warmer tomorrow. And up here in Santa Monica, where the smog meets the beer cans. And by the way, I'd like to call your attention to the fact that Santa Monica is a very big place when the tide goes out. Now, up here in Canada, we have this area through here, winds coming from the east and the west both. Oh, look, a flying saucer! And up here in Alaska, it got so cold that a fellow wrote me a letter and said that his water spaniel cubed up on him. Now, I'd like to say whether it's cold or whether it's hot, we've got to have weather or not. But in the coldest kind of summer's hot weather, it's better for two to sleep alone than one to sleep together. I'd like to call your attention to the fact that next week, due to the fact that Monday comes on Tuesday this Wednesday, our regular Thursday forecast will be held on Friday this Saturday because Sunday is a holiday. Good night.